Are you having trouble using your headphones with a mic on your PC? In this video, we'll show you the simple steps to get everything working in no time. Let's get started. First, check the type of connection your headphones use. If your headphones have a 3.5mm jack, you'll need two ports on your PC, one for audio and one for the microphone. Make sure to plug the green jack into the audio port and the pink one into the microphone port. Alternatively, if your headphones use a USB connection, simply plug the USB cable into an available USB port on your PC. Next, let's adjust your sound settings. Right-click the sound icon at the bottom right of your screen and open Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your headphones from the list. Then scroll down to the Input section and select your microphone from the list. To make sure your apps use your headphones for communication, right-click the sound icon again and choose Sounds. In the Playback tab, right-click your headphones and choose Set as Default Communication Device. Then do the same in the Recording tab for your microphone. Click Apply, then OK to save your settings. If your mic or headphones aren't working, check your connections again. Make sure both plugs are in the right ports. Another quick fix is to update your drivers. Go to Settings, then Update and Security to check for any updates. Don't forget to test your mic in the sound settings. If it's not picking up any sound, try adjusting the mic volume or switching to the correct one. And sometimes, all you need is a quick restart to get everything working. To get the best sound from your mic, make sure it's positioned about 2 to 3 inches from your mouth. Also, adjust the sensitivity and sound settings to avoid too much background noise. Before you jump into a meeting or game, test your setup. Open Voice Recorder to check if your mic works. In apps like Skype or Zoom, go to Settings and test both the microphone and the speakers. For gaming, check the voice chat in apps like Discord to make sure your mic is working. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy clear audio and communication with your headphones and mic on your PC. If you run into any issues, just follow the troubleshooting steps and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. See you next time.